My sisters and brothers, I greet you all with the love and peace of the Lord. I invite you to meditate together with me on the Holy Word of God of 11th November 2020. The focus of our reflection: gratitude is a sign of rectitude of heart. Gratitude is not a mere matter of receiving and giving a profuse oath of thanks, but it fosters a culture of deep humility, prompt recognition of the goodness of others, and also responsibility toward what is received. We are living in a world where the spirit of gratitude is either on decrease or is very shallow. Often it is just momentary. Today, once again, Jesus reminds us that gratitude is a fundamental attitude of life. One should not take for granted the good done. This is what the 9 lepers did. Jesus heals 10 lepers in the gospel, but only one, and that too, a Samaritan, returns to thank Jesus. How easily people can forget the immense good done. In healing the lepers, Jesus not only gives them physical health, but much more than that. He restores their lost human dignity. He restores them their lost human family bonding. Therefore, gratitude is a responsibility and obligation. It is not mere words, but a culture of heart. In fact, true gratitude is a matter of depth, humility, and sensitivity. It means that one deeply acknowledges his essential condition of givenness and inadequacy and dependence. It demands that one recognizes the value of goodness and help. It calls to nurture a genuine respect and appreciation for the act of kindness. Only thus one can be authentic and deep in his gratitude. Therefore, any attitude of arrogance and undue autonomy, insensitivity, and indifference is contrary to real gratitude. Real gratitude should increase in us loyalty towards the people who do that good, and also responsibility and commitment toward the good done. This implies a responsible use of the good received and a commitment to do the same kind of good to the person concerned or to anyone. Because one who receives the giving from someone should also learn to give. Thus, true gratitude can never be dissociated from genuine responsibility. To be grateful is to be responsible. We have received an immense grace of salvation. We who were slaves once to sin are made free. We who were foolish, disobedient, and misled are now made wise, obedient, and well guided. We who lived in malice and hate are now made benevolent and loving. Should we not be infinitely grateful about it? And we show this gratitude not by mere holy desires and great words, but much more by a changed life. We receive the grace gratefully, but we live that grace responsibly. And now, the direction and the directive for our life. Let gratitude be a beautiful ornament that adds splendor to our spirit of humility and sensitivity. The more we receive, the more we grow humble and kind towards others.